Today we're in Buffalo, New York, and we're exploring an old Wonder Bread factory. It didn't just make Wonder Bread, it made a variety of Hostess Brand snacks, and it was built in 1943. But in 2004, it was abandoned, and here it sits, missing a B, missing an N, and missing an E from its sign. Follow me, let's check it out. can see how worn the stairs are from people walking on them over the years. This place is huge. Knock on wood, we haven't seen anybody else yet. It's a really windy day, if you haven't already noticed. So it would be really easy for somebody to hide in here and not hear them. It also makes a super creepy explore. So I would have loved to get some drone footage of this place, but my drone is broken. I will put a link to the video of me flying it into a tree. But I ordered new props and it'll be up and running in no time. And to be honest, I crashed it twice in about 5 minutes. So I burnt through my set of extra props. Oh, here we've got bread height standards, out of bread proof box. I mean, I had plans to explore today while I was traveling through New York, and this was one of the places on my list. And I didn't think it'd be that good. I was wrong. It's pretty wild. So I would have loved to get some roof shots with the sun setting. Let's see, it looks like there's a hole in the roof right here. Or a skylight. In a world with no money, we might value each other. Yes, we should value each other. There's a freight elevator. Oh, look, it had guides so you could push a cart in there and it would keep it in one spot. This looks like a tool cage. A tool regrind room, because I can see a grinder and a workbench. That fan is hauling. But the sun is going down, so we're gonna have to move quick. This is pretty cool. Tower says Wonder Bread. It's got a newer roof up here. Let's head down. Let's check out the rest of the floors before it gets too dark. Look at the arched windows. Dough mixer operators. Work instructions. So it looks like anywhere where the bread was actually getting produced, they had this red tile floor. I don't know if that's because it's not porous. You'd think the grout would be porous. I don't know. Somebody probably knows out there. Here's a mezzanine. A second floor mezzanine. Jump. I don't think so. All the way down. I guess you could jump across. Not today. I'm hoping it's not pitch black when we get outside. We can get a picture of the front. And it is a complete maze at this point. Ooh, full circle. I remember this room. The bread roll department. Let's check out the basement. You can see the hair nets. I was wondering where the mixers are. Looks like all the equipment's gone. Looks like the maintenance crib. Still some parts left. So we're at the base of the smokestack. Yeast tanks. This place is huge. It just keeps going and going and going. I'm about done in this basement. Oh, wet shoes, wet shoes, wet shoes, wet shoes. Deeper than I expected. So if you guys like this video, make sure you share it on social media, tell your friends, tell your family, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. It helps us out. Until next time, be safe out there.